If you have the B-Class Mercedes, the second generation W246, you may have a question about this passenger airbag. Now you see the passenger's airbag is off, and a lot of people ask how can I turn it on, because they are worried about the life of their passengers. But you should understand that in this B-Class, the second generation, the airbags are automatic. So if someone sits on this seat, if someone is here, the airbag will activate automatically. When there is nobody in this seat, the airbag will always stay off, because in case of some minor accident, this airbag will not deploy, and it will save you 1,000 euros on repairs. So let's see how it works. Now I sat on the passenger's seat, and as you see, the passenger's airbag is now on. Now I will get out of the car. No one is sitting on the seat, and the passenger's airbag is automatically off. So, and you make sure that there is no switch and nothing, and you can't activate it automatically. Also, if you install the child seat, you know, the child seat that's when the child sits in the seat, it's facing backwards. When you install such child seat in this car, the passenger airbag will remain off, because it has the seat has special sensors to detect this child seat, and it will not activate this airbag. So it will not think that someone is sitting on the seat, and the airbag will remain off.